My name is David. I'm a student of Karongi in Mechanical Engineering Department. So today we come with the project which is called Design and Implementation of Smart Chicken Processing Machine. This is the project which is come a solution to Rwandan society where chicken processing was done in ancient or in traditional way, where the people take a chicken and crack with finger, which take a longer period, more than 30 minutes processing one chicken. So we come today with the machine which can process the chicken, 3 chicken at once in only 15 minutes and completed ready for the final consumer. So we have different parts as I suggested, we have 4 main parts composed our project. Those parts are uniquely machines but which work together to give us the productivity. So the first one is called the tuner. This is tuner, the important, it helps the chicken to lose its consciousness. We kill the chicken without feeling the pain by helping of this innovative machine which is called tuner. So the second one, it is Plucker. This Plucker is made by 2 machines in combination. The first one is called the boiler. The boiler is the one which boils the water for with a controlled temperature. Where we take, there is a temperature regulator here. We regulate the temperature according to the age of the chicken. We cannot process, for example, the chicken of 45 days, the same as that one we call in Rwanda, which, for example, have the age like 2 years old. So the temperature can be different. So this the third one is called the Plucker, where we put the chicken and remove the feeder so that the chicken completely as finished one, ready to be cutted. This the last one is called meat cutter, which is used to cut the meat of chicken into different parts as needed by the consumer or the customer. Thank you. As I told you before, we are going to tune it completely so that it doesn't feel pain when we are processing it. So we go. Okay, now we are done. So once we are done, we put in chicken filling corn, and then we are ready to bread our chicken. So when we are breading chicken, there is the vein here where we cut it, and the blood flow out. You see, the blood is coming out, and this is the sign of the well-tuned chicken. When the chicken is not well-tuned, those blood will not flow out the chicken. Instead, it will condense inside the meat, which also reduce the quality of the meat produced. So let this activity end, the chicken blood flowing, and when it's completed, you see, there cannot be blood coming out from our chicken. So we take our chicken from chicken killing corn as to finish breading, and then we touch it, we put it or we immerse into the boiler. So, and once we are done, we are ready to pluck our chicken. So, to know that it is ready to be plucked, you can pull, for example, here, and you see if this is coming out. And then we switch on the Then we switch off the machine and then we remove the chicken from the Plucker. As you can see, there is no waste, there is no feeder remain on our chicken. It is very clean. There is no feeder, there isn't any kind, even though the thing of here, you see the machine, we moved it well. So we switch on the machine, then we break the plate, and then take our chicken like this, and then we cut parts as required. The legs, so this machine cut it well. You see? Then our chicken is ready. So what we're gonna do is remove the internal parts, and then we come back cutting different parts so that it can be consumed without any problem. Thank you.